Hey besties, it's your girl Kale Fineo and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and what's up lovely? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video because it will be very useful for you. Before we even get started, you need a couple of things just to do your lashes. So I have the Ultra Black 3D, the 3D Lash Trio by I Envy. And then I also have the 20D extensions and these, they're not like super ultra long, but they're long. So these are the ultras and then these are the longs because I just wanted a little bit of different length in it. So, and this is also my first time doing my lashes at home. So these are DIY. Then you also need some lash adhesive, and this is individual lash adhesive by I Envy as well. It's also Kiss, so I don't know if it's Kiss or I Envy or maybe it's both. But anyways, this is the waterproof one. And then you will also need a clean pair of tweezers. And then you also need a spoolie to, brush your lashes out. If you guys want to get your lashes just like this at home, DIY and by yourself, just keep watching the video. So here I'm just showing you guys how I grip the lash and how I dip it into the lash glue. So here I place the lashes on the actual lash line where my lashes are growing out, not on the upper lid. You guys are going to see in a second what I'm talking about. It's really just a repetitive process until you get the desired volume. Here I'm just showing you guys the base of the lash trios, and then I'm about to start going in with the individual lashes, the 20Ds. With the 20Ds, I'm pretty much just going in and filling them on top and throughout the lashes just until I get the desired volume that I want and until it looks how I want them to look. Okay, so this is how the lashes came out. I think they actually look really, really good, especially for my first time doing lashes. Like, sis, are you serious? I feel like a lash tech. I feel like a lash tech. And I'm not a lash tech, by the way. I've never done lashes before. I've literally only used strips. That's what I'm used to doing. But like I said, you guys could easily just do this at home by yourself, and it gets easier once you like keep on going. At first I was like, ooh child, I don't know. But as I kept going, it just got easier and easier, and I was just popping the lashes on there. It's super easy and definitely beginner friendly. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment on this video. Show me some love on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!